the Oriental window jig set. This is the second window door set in the series. The first one was released more than a year ago, and now it's time for the Oriental version. Windows, doors, pagodas, half pagodas. A very fun set. Let me show you how to cut the more difficult shapes of this set. Okay, to start off, I will use a template to get the right block, the right size. So I have two shapes. I have a pagoda and a window. This one is number F and this is number C. And as you can see, I have number C here. One in this side and one here. So the width and the depth. And when it comes to F, well, I only have this side. Okay, let's cut it. Okay. Okay, well, it's a little bit too thick, really a little bit, so the wire is now stinging or clinging to the fence, but that's great because now I'm cutting away maybe less than a millimeter, as you can see. So oh, that's great. Okay, that's one. And now the other one, number C, same thickness, that's good. And again, number C. Yeah, that's good. Great. A window frame pagoda. Let's start with the window. Low heat. And there we go. Outside. A little bit more heat. And there we go. You can actually pin the frame or the template using needles. But if the block sticks really well within this shape, this frame, then there's no need. So again, first we do the outside. Okay. So now I have to cut out the inside, and you see in the middle there's an opening I can go through. Now, to be sure that the wire goes in without hesitation, because if it sticks it will burn away excess foam, which I do not want. I make sure that the opening is wide enough. Actually, you see the wire is now already in that opening on the bottom. It's in front of the top. And I'm in. Going to the center, just finding a corner, and now trace the inner shape. Just wait a little bit, and there we go. And now I can pull it out. Oh, I forgot a piece. That can happen. So get back in. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Come on, work with me. Oh, that's nice. So actually I can slice this up and I have nice ornaments already, but we have a second little template where this one fits in on the side, as you can see. And this is a very thin template, so I can use it twice. So let me see. Okay, you see the wire is touching the frame. It also touches the foam, so I put it on, but I can start shifting the wire straight away. Follow the template. And there we have a nice window frame. So with a little window, we have a whole set of windows and some doors that we have our nice little frame. Really cool. I think I will absolutely use this template set for another basic block challenge, making a Oriental house, which is actually simple. Making a house shape and adding all these fun little things, and well, just call it an Oriental house, I guess. Okay, sorry. On to the next one, which I really like, pagoda. So first we start with the outside. Again, if the block is sticking well enough within the frame, then there is no need for pinning this frame to the foam. Okay, that's nice. That's already really nice. Make sure that the opening is a little bit wider, that the wire is already in there. So put it on the power, and there we go. Go to the corner and trace the inside. Okay, let's flip it. So the block is in. It's not that stable. So yeah, maybe it's an idea to actually pin it, but I don't do it. I keep it in the air. I press this part down. Okay, that's nice. The other side. I do it, normally I would do the cut towards me so I can see where I am with the wire, but so you can see it, I will do it towards the camera, which for me is a little bit more difficult. Okay. Very nice. And now again, the inside. Actually, that's an option, of course. It looks great the way it is. Like it's, not sure what it is, but anyway. But I want to have a open pagoda, so I will cut out the inside as well. But that's an option. Turn it off. In there, it's in the middle, and over we go. one. And there you have a very nice pagoda. And if you want to make it look a little bit more interesting, we have windows like this, or you can actually, which is fun as well, only do the top part, or you can only do the bottom part. And of course we have the little pagoda as well. So I imagine on a first floor, on a corner where 1/4 is cut out, so it's a corner window in the shape of a pagoda, maybe on the roof, maybe 4 on each corner. I will definitely build something with it, again referring to the basic block challenge. Yeah, a really fun tool with a lot of nice options, as you can see. So yeah, maybe it's worthwhile checking it out. If we meet on a fair somewhere, I will be more than happy to show you. So yeah, okay, this wraps it up. Have to powder my nose because I have a cold. I'm so sorry. But anyway, this is the Oriental window jig set, and I must not forget a big thank you also to my dear friend Giuliano Palladini from Fantasy Labyrinth, because we have been working for the last few years now, and he comes with most of these kinds of ideas. Sometimes I have to tweak them. Sometimes I really add some interesting stuff myself as well, but this one goes to Giuliano almost fully. So thumbs up for him. So go check him out. He's a real true artist. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye.